Hello everyone. Today's topic is programming basics and data analytics with Python. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss the programming basics and data analytics with Python. Roadmap, about course, eligibility criteria, roles, responsibilities, and salaries. Training program. Now we are discussing about programming basics and data analytics with Python. The Programming Basics and Data Analytics with Python course is designed to provide a strong foundation in programming while introducing data analytics concepts using Python. It is ideal for beginners and professionals looking to enhance their analytical skills with Python powerful libraries. The course starts with programming fundamentals, covering variables, data types, loops, functions, and object-oriented programming. It then moves into data manipulation and analysis, introducing libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib to handle, process, and visualize data efficiently. Learners will explore data wrangling techniques, statistical analysis, and data transformation methods essential for analytics. As the course progresses, participants will gain hands-on experience with data visualization, applying Python tools to generate insightful charts and graphs. Advanced topics include exploratory data analysis, EDA, machine learning basics, and predictive modeling using libraries like scikit-learn. The course also emphasizes real-world case studies to help learners apply their knowledge to business problems. Here are the eligibility criteria for the Programming Basics and Data Analytics with Python Basic Computer Knowledge. Candidates should understand operating systems, file management, and software applications. Interest in programming. No prior coding experience is required, but a keen interest in learning Python and programming concepts is beneficial. Educational background. Open to students, graduates, and professionals from any educational background, preferably from STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics fields. Mathematical aptitude. A basic understanding of mathematics and logical reasoning helps in grasping programming and data analytics concepts. Analytical thinking. Candidates should have an analytical mindset to interpret and work with data effectively. Knowledge of statistics preferred. While not mandatory, familiarity with basic statistics can be an advantage for data analysis tasks. Professionals seeking career growth, ideal for working professionals in IT, finance, marketing, and other industries looking to enhance their data analytics skills. Students and fresh graduates, suitable for students or recent graduates aiming to build a career in data analytics, data science, or Python development. Access to a computer. Learners should have access to a computer or laptop to practice coding and work on data analytics projects. Willingness to learn. The course is beginner-friendly, so a strong willingness to learn and apply Python for analytics is the key to success. Next, we discuss the roles and salaries in Programming Basics and Data Analytics with Python Data Analyst. Data analysts use Python to clean, process, and analyze data, providing insights for business decisions. Average salary ranges from $60,000 to $90,000 annually, depending on experience and location. Data scientist. Data scientists apply advanced analytics and machine learning models to large data sets to predict trends and solve complex problems. Data scientists can earn between $95,000 and $130,000 per year. Python developer. Python developers build software applications and automate tasks using Python programming, focusing on back-end development and system optimization. The salary for a Python developer typically ranges from $70,000 to $110,000 annually. Business intelligence analyst. These professionals use Python to develop insights from business data, creating reports, dashboards, and visualizations. A typical salary is between $70,000 and $100,000 annually. Machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers design and implement algorithms and models that allow machines to learn from data. Machine learning engineers earn from $100,000 to $150,000 per year, depending on expertise. Data engineer. Data engineers build and maintain the infrastructure for data generation, collection, and storage, often utilizing Python for data processing tasks. The average salary ranges from $90,000 to $120,000 annually. Quantitative analyst. In finance, quantitative analysts, quants, use Python to develop complex models for risk management and financial forecasting. The salary for this role typically ranges from $90,000 to $150,000 per year. Statistical analyst. Statistical analysts use Python and statistical techniques to analyze trends, tests, and hypotheses in various industries. Statistical analysts can expect to earn between $60,000 to $85,000 annually. The last topic is training program. GoLogica offers a complete programming basics and data analytics with Python course, designed to provide you with the foundational skills needed to excel in programming and data analysis. This course covers all essential aspects of Python programming, including data structures, algorithms, and basic programming techniques. You will learn how to work with variables, loops, conditionals, functions, and data types, providing a solid foundation for further programming expertise. In addition, the course dives deep into data analytics using Python, teaching you how to work with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. You will gain hands-on experience with importing, cleaning, and analyzing data from different sources and creating insightful visualizations to present data trends and findings effectively. The GoLogica Programming Basics and Data Analytics with Python course prepares you for roles such as Python developer, data analyst, data scientist, machine learning engineer, and business intelligence developer. By the end of the course, you will have the skills needed to excel in these positions, and upon completion, you will receive a certification that validates your Python programming and data analytics expertise. Furthermore, GoLogica provides resume building support to highlight your newly acquired skills and offers interview preparation with 24/7 support. The course is designed for flexible, self-paced learning, with expert guidance available throughout. With GoLogica Programming Basics and Data Analytics with Python course, you will be fully prepared to tackle real-world programming and data challenges, advancing your career in the tech and data analytics fields.